We're predicting a 11-point margin with only a 14% chance of the Democrat winning. The idea behind the political statistics class is for them to take very difficult, messy problems for which there aren't good, pat answers and try to develop models in which to answer those questions. And so this year, because it's an election year, we're working on the House elections. So they're building a model, they call their model the Oracle of Blair, that produces a probability for every House election race. So it's more than just a question of predicting the winner. We're actually attaching a probability of how certain we are of that prediction. If the Democrat wins, it's ln of our Democratic percentage.
We use past election data as well as current polling data, and we take all of this together and synthesize a result for each district. And then what we do is we simulate the election basically of a bunch of times and use that to predict what we think will happen.
We have small teams, and we're writing blog posts that are going up on our blog. We're writing about why districts are flipping in our model and whether that's a result of the blue wave, quote unquote, or whether it's just a natural occurrence that was going to happen anyway.
ln of 0.8 is right here.
So a lot of what I've been doing is working with data visualization, so it's great that we can get these numbers, but a lot of what's important about being able to make this model is being able to convey that information to people. So that's with maps and histograms and various types of graphs to convey what we think those numbers mean to the general population and our viewers.
And I think communication is really important as well. As Mr. Stein, our teacher, has always stressed that, because you can't just do statistics in a black box and then keep it to yourself, because you have to communicate to the world that what's happening and what we're predicting as well.
That's why they're coming up with 84% and we're coming up with 74%.
I am hoping that we can inform the public, because I think that there's a lot of misinformation out there and misinterpretation, and I think that hard data, which is what we have, will be helpful in helping voters know what to do and keeping them informed, and I think that that's what's really important in this day and age.